going on, guys? Welcome back to another very early Roblox video. I am filming at 8 in the morning, 8:08 a.m. as you can see right there. But today we're not doing a mystery. We're doing a Bloxburg video. I bought Bloxburg like a few months ago, or like 2 months ago, and my friend made my house. It looks pretty nice. I know the roof's kind of looks silly, but I like it. I got nice doors, nice kitchen, nice TV. Nice room, lava lamp, couch, pictures, bathroom. But yeah. But I did have like 30 grand, like right here. But I stopped. I spent it all. I should have bought in a car. I should have bought like the pack, but I didn't want to. I don't know why. How much? I don't know how much Robux it was, but I only have like 2 Robux left. Watch out! But anyway, we are going to go to work. So actually, we're going the wrong way. So there's my house. I am planning on getting a pool. I just don't know how to. If you guys know how to, just tell me in the comments, please. Thank you. Oh, actually, wait, no, I was going the right way. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're driving away. We're driving away. And my friend's playing Unicorn Race. Shout out to her. I don't know if we'll find her in the game, but you never know. But I like working as a janitor just because it's fun and it pays a lot. Holy crap. Alright, crap. Park. Right. Perfect. And a parking spot, and I won't get towed. Right. It's raining. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, never mind. I thought it stopped raining for a minute. Thank you. And that's why I'm on my way cleaning up. Ha! What a nice day. Oh, that was quick. 3, 2, 1, yeet! Okay, there's that. Gotta clean that up. If you guys want to see more Bloxburg videos, just comment down below, because I really like this game, and I bet you guys too. And trust me, we can find some weird stuff going on. Like, like, a while ago, I was playing Bloxburg on my really old account, and there's like some green stuff coming out of my house. I heard it was like chemical U, and it kind of freaked me out. So if you guys spawn anything weird on Bloxburg, just let me know. And you know, your boy will explore it. We'll clean that up. Oh, alright guys, I just got $589 for finishing my shift. It is at 5:10. Yeah, like 500. Go to your closet. Sweet. I'm tired. I go get my bike. Bloxburg.
Really?
Yep. It's only like 15, I think. Whichever one it is, it's Bloxburg.
Oh.
It's like 15. So I'm not rich. I mean, I have 15 left because I spent a lot of it, but whatever. Okay, now I have to go home. And I got to go to, and I'm tired, so I gotta sleep. I got this. I think I'm going the wrong way. No, I'm going the right way. I don't know. Oh gosh. No. Okay, who is knocking on my door and why? My guy, stop knocking on the door. Quit knocking on it. Okay, I don't even know where I'm like in a fancy neighborhood now, so I don't know. Oh. Holy crap. Alright guys, so we made it home. Tired as crap. I'm gonna die soon, so I'm gonna hit the hay. Look how dope the lava lamp is. That's pretty cool. Alright. Okay, we are. Okay, let's see. Let's see how we're doing. Energy, we are up. Okay, hunger, I'm hungry. Let's cook. Let's cook, boys. So, why all lights are off? Because the bills went out. You know, I had to pay them. But I just got $500, so I have enough money to pay bills. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's just take some ingredients. Let's take. Feeling, where's the baking eggs? There they are. Alright, now let's fry. Oh crap. D.
You're the bird in
I do?
under the tunnel.
I do? Okay, so I want.
You live right next to me.
No way. No, I did. I'm cooking. So it looks like, oh! We got soccer! Oh my god! I know. Okay, how long does it take to mix some eggs? Hold on. I'm in the middle of cooking eggs. I'm one of the world star chefs. Come at me. Gordon Ramsay has a problem. She left, whatever. You finish it? Oh, we did. Okay. Let's place it to bacon and eggs. Yo, what do you want? Hello, what do you want? What are you in my kitchen for? Punch me. I've been kicked out. I can donate money. Here, I'll give you some money. Little simpleton. Have some money.
What did you give me?
I'll give you 100.
You do have to listen now.
No, I'm about to go to the gym.
Can I go with you?
Okay, come on, go. I need to respawn my thing.
Ready?
Yes, no, come on.
I'm following you.
Alright, just get back in the house. I'm gonna eat really quick. Take portion. You can have some fun. I'll guest really quick. Change permission. Guest. You guessed now, right? Let me just wash. No, let me wash the dishes. Alright. Let's go. Wait. Time to save power. Turn all these off. I'm all about saving that money. Let's go. Which way is it? This way. And there's your house right there, right?
Yeah.
Simpleton. Just kidding. Actually, I'm gonna go through the tunnel. You going to the gym? Alright. Guys, she's here. She's going away. Right there. While she's going there, I'll go through the tunnel. Oh, unicorn horse level joined. The cop.
You did? Friend with him?
Yeah, for her. Whoa, that was so scary. Oh, okay, now we're done with sightseeing. We're gonna head home.
You're not gonna go to the gym?
I'm gonna do that. That's what I am. Okay, guys, so we're just in time. Fireworks, and Unicorn Reese is gonna do. Okay, where are you on? She is gonna join me for fireworks. I don't know where she went, but she's right there. Okay, get off. Can you get off that? Okay. So, nope, Reese don't do anything. So we are going to light the lame one first. This one, trash. Step back. Lame. I mean, I guess it's kind of cool for little kids. Harmless. And then we're gonna move on to the red ones, and then these. And then we're gonna go on to the finale. That's right here. I think yeah, fireworks are on, I think. Wait, what? Okay, and now we got this one. Only 1 out of 10. I'll light the rest. And okay. Wait, no, not those ones. Just we still have these left. We still have the red ones left. Oh, it's already fused. Okay, now I'll do these.
Me too.
I already got them all. Look up. Holy crap. Alright, now guys, we're going on to the finale. Too late. It's fine. They always respond. I like this one. Woo! So cool. Even though
Yeah, this is my outfit, guys.
Yeah, this is her new outfit she bought for Robux. She got like what, 2,000 Robux yesterday, so she went to the Avatar. She got some stuff at Bloxburg, and yeah. So before we end this video off, we will be going I'll just be going around the neighborhood. Okay, ready? Let's go to the tunnel. I'm gonna fall off the thing for the ending. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Amazing grace, how sweet. Okay, so where's she at? She's right there. Alright. Whoa, what? I can't stop. Whoa, watch out!